think the most dangerous animal in America is the grizzly bear. Wrong. This creature weighs a literal ton, has no fangs, and is a living tank. Meet the moose. Their biology is built to destroy steel. A moose's center of gravity sits perfectly above a car's hood. Upon impact, their legs snap, causing 800 kilograms to vault through the windshield, crushing the cabin with 15 tons of force. At night, they are like ghosts. Their eyes don't reflect headlights like a deer's is. Instead, they absorb them. You only see a black void when it's already too late. If this surprised you, leave a like and subscribe. It helps the algorithm push these facts further. During the rut, their blood is liquid aggression. Testosterone levels spike 1,000-fold. Their brain enters a combat mode where every moving object becomes a target for ramming. So next time you're in the woods, keep your distance. Because remember, you'd think the most dangerous animal in America